recycling denim is more important than many people realize. In this video, we will cover how old denim jeans can change your lifestyle. From business ideas to decor, accessories to smart storage solutions, healthy and clean environment, to saving the earth from millions of tons of textile wastage. Here you go. Welcome to Decasum, your destination for creative home decor ideas and smart DIY inspiration. In today's video, we explore more than 70 amazing denim jeans, DIY ideas that can completely change the look of your home. Instead of throwing away old jeans, you can turn them into beautiful decor pieces, useful household items, and stylish accessories. With a little creativity, recycled denim can become one of the most versatile materials for home decoration and organization. Every year, millions of pairs of jeans are thrown away. Environmental reports show that more than 11 million tons of textile waste are generated annually in the United States alone. A large portion of this waste includes clothing such as denim jeans. Around the world, the fashion industry produces more than 92 million tons of textile waste every year. Most of these clothes end up in landfills, where they can take decades to break down and may release harmful chemicals into the environment. The production of denim also requires huge natural resources. It is estimated that producing just one pair of jeans can use around 7,000 to 10,000 liters of water. That means when people throw away jeans, they are also wasting the water, energy, and labor used to produce them. Recycling and upcycling denim is one simple way people can reduce waste and help protect the planet. The good news is that you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars on expensive art pieces, decorative accessories, or storage containers when you can create your own stylish home decor from old denim. Old jeans are strong, durable, and flexible, which makes them perfect for many creative DIY projects. There are dozens of ways to turn old denim into beautiful home decor items. For example, you can create denim cushion covers that add texture and character to your sofa or bed. Patchwork denim quilts are another wonderful idea that can give your bedroom a warm and rustic look. Denim pockets can be used to create wall organizers, where you can store small items like stationery, remote controls, or phone chargers. You can also make denim table runners, coasters, and placemats that give your dining table a unique handmade style. Old denim can even be transformed into decorative wall art, photo frames, or hanging organizers. Denim lampshades and denim curtain tiebacks can add a creative touch to your living room or bedroom. Denim is also perfect for making useful storage solutions around the home. The strong pockets of jeans can easily be turned into wall organizers, desk organizers, or hanging storage bags. You can create kitchen utensil holders, makeup brush organizers, or small baskets for storing everyday items. These simple projects help keep your home tidy while adding a creative recycled design. Unique furniture and decorative pieces. If you enjoy larger DIY projects, you can even use denim to upgrade furniture. Denim can be used to create beanbag covers, chair cushions, ottoman covers, and even patchwork rugs. Wrapping flower pots with denim fabric can create beautiful decorative planters that fit perfectly with modern rustic home decor styles. Creative denim storage solutions. Old jeans can also be turned into stylish accessories such as tote bags, wallets, coin purses, phone pouches, laptop sleeves, and reusable shopping bags. These items are not only useful but also environmentally friendly because they reduce the need for plastic or synthetic materials. Turn denim DIY into a profitable business. One of the most exciting things about denim DIY projects is that they can also become a profitable business idea. Today, many people are looking for eco-friendly and sustainable products. Handmade recycled items are becoming increasingly popular in online marketplaces. Platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon. Handmade allow creators to sell unique products to customers all over the world. Many small businesses have started by selling handmade recycled products and later grew into successful brands. If you create unique denim bags, organizers, or home decor items, you could turn a simple hobby into a business that earns thousands or even millions of dollars from the growing sustainable products market. Help the planet by recycling clothes. Recycling old clothes is not just about saving money. It is about helping the planet by reducing waste and promoting sustainability. By turning old jeans into useful products, we can reduce the huge amount of clothing waste produced every year and inspire others to reuse and recycle. Before throwing away your old jeans, think about the creative possibilities. With more than 70 denim DIY ideas, you can transform something old into something beautiful, useful, and meaningful for your home. Let us know in the comments which denim DIY idea you like the most and what topic you would like us to cover in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Some for more creative home decor inspiration and sustainable DIY ideas.